Intro. Welcome back to Auto Cars. Today we dive deep into the exterior of the 2025 Motorlab Bajaj Auto Right. This video focuses strictly on design, performance, history, and standout features, leaving the interior for another time. Opening shot description and hook. Imagine walking up to a car that mixes modern minimalism with purposeful athleticism. The right greets you with a confident stance. From the first glance, its silhouette reads low and planted, a design that aims to communicate speed even at a standstill. Design language and proportions. Motorlab has clearly prioritized proportion over ornamentation. The long hood, short overhangs, and wide track create a classic sports profile. The roofline sweeps gently toward the rear, connecting the front and back in a single flowing gesture. Panel gaps are tight and precise, signaling a manufacturing focus on fit and finish that punches above its class. Front fascia and lighting. Up front, the right uses a narrow, high-tech light signature that stretches across the face, giving it a distinctive daytime identity. The grille treatment is restrained yet functional, blending active aero elements with a refined mesh pattern. LED matrix headlights tuck into sculpted housings that follow the hood lines for a seamless integration. Side profile and details. Along the flanks, character lines rise and fall to emphasize muscular wheel arches. The wheels themselves are proportionally large and designed to complement the body shape. Door handles are flushed for aerodynamic cleanliness, and subtle air curtains behind the front wheels help manage airflow. Attention to small details like the mirror stalks and window trim shows an effort to reduce drag while keeping visual balance. Rear design and aero. At the rear, the right balances a minimalist tail with purposeful aerodynamic aids. A subtle integrated spoiler and diffuser work together to add downforce without shouting for attention. Slim taillights echo the front light signature for a cohesive visual language, and a neatly integrated exhaust treatment provides a finished look. Performance overview. Beneath the sculpted body, the right is built around a lightweight chassis philosophy. The use of high-strength steels and selective composites keeps mass down while retaining rigidity. Powertrain options include an efficient turbocharged unit tuned for responsive mid-range torque, and a higher-spec variant that emphasizes peak power and sharper throttle response. The suspension setup favors a composed ride with firm body control, and adaptive damping is available to tune behavior from comfort to aggressive cornering. Handling and driving character. On twisty roads, the right rewards precise inputs and maintains composure through rapid transitions. Steering is communicative and direct, giving the driver confidence at speed. Brake feel is progressive and powerful, with well-engineered cooling to sustain repeated hard stops. Heritage and context. Motorlab's right draws inspiration from classic performance cars while clearly aiming to be relevant to modern drivers. It represents a bridge between sculptural design and engineering efficiency. This model positions Motorlab as a brand willing to compete on both style and substance. Standout exterior features recap. Key exterior features include the signature light signature, flush hardware, integrated aero elements, and a cohesive sculptural silhouette. Each of these choices contributes to an overall package that looks intentional and performs effectively. Closing line and call to action. If you enjoyed this exterior deep dive into the 2025 Motorlab Bajaj Auto Right, hit like and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns on auto cars. Drop your questions and what exterior angle you want to see next in the comments.